Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the 10 best places to visit in Taipei, from stunning landmarks to hidden gems. Whether you're seeking breathtaking views, cultural experiences, or delicious food, Taipei has it all. I'll take you through each of these must-see spots, sharing insider tips and things to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more travel content. Let me know in the comments which spot you'd love to visit, or if you've been to any of these already. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Great, let's dive right in and explore the best of Taipei. One, Taipei 101, once the world's tallest building, is a 508-meter skyscraper. Completed in 2004, it has 101 floors and is designed to withstand typhoons and earthquakes. Its postmodern architecture blends traditional Asian aesthetics with modern engineering. A major highlight is its massive tuned mass damper, which stabilizes the tower against strong winds. The observation decks on the 89th and 91st floors offer breathtaking views of Taipei. Taipei 101 is also a financial hub and a luxury shopping destination, featuring high-end brands, restaurants, and offices. 2. The National Palace Museum houses one of the world's largest collections of Chinese imperial artifacts, with nearly 700,000 pieces spanning over 8,000 years of history. Originally from Beijing's Forbidden City, the collection was moved to Taiwan during the Chinese Civil War. The museum showcases exquisite jade carvings, ancient bronzes, calligraphy, and paintings, including the famous jadeite cabbage and meat-shaped stone. With modern facilities and rotating exhibitions, it offers a deep dive into Chinese heritage. The museum is a must-visit for history and art lovers, reflecting Taiwan's cultural significance. 3. The Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall is a grand monument dedicated to Chiang Kai-shek, the former president of the Republic of China. Completed in 1980, it features a striking white structure with a blue-tiled octagonal roof, symbolizing Chinese cultural heritage. The hall sits within Liberty Square, surrounded by beautiful gardens, the National Concert Hall, and the National Theater. Inside, visitors can explore a museum showcasing Chiang's life and Taiwan's history. The grand staircase leads to a large bronze statue of Chiang, guarded by an honor guard. It remains a key landmark for cultural events and historical reflection. 4. The Elephant Mountain Trailhead is the starting point of a popular hiking trail offering stunning views of the city skyline, including Taipei 101. Also known as Xiangshan, the trail is part of the Four Beasts Mountains and features a well-maintained path with steep stone steps leading to multiple viewpoints. The hike takes around 20 to 30 minutes to reach the main observation deck, where visitors can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views, especially at sunset. It's a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers, providing a peaceful escape from the city while remaining easily accessible via the MRT Xiangshan station. 5. Taipei Zoo, the largest zoo in Taiwan, spans 165 hectares in the Longshan district. Established in 1914, it houses diverse animal species from around the world, including pandas, koalas, elephants, and Formosan wildlife. The giant panda house, home to Yuan Zai, is a major attraction. The zoo is divided into themed areas like the tropical rainforest, desert, and Asian forest. Visitors can explore the insectarium, amphibian and reptile house, and a nocturnal animal exhibit. Easily accessible via MRT, the zoo offers an educational and fun experience for families and wildlife enthusiasts. 6. Longshan Temple, located in Taipei's Wanhua district, is one of Taiwan's most famous and historic temples. Founded in 1738 by Chinese settlers from Fujian, it honors Guanyin, the Buddhist goddess of mercy, along with Taoist and folk deities. The temple's architecture features intricate carvings, colorful dragons, and a serene courtyard with a waterfall. Despite being damaged multiple times, including during World War II bombings, it has been meticulously restored. A spiritual and cultural hub, Longshan Temple is a popular place for worship, fortune-telling, and experiencing Taiwan's rich religious traditions. 7. Ximending, often called the Harajuku of Taipei, is a vibrant shopping and entertainment district in the Wanhua district. Known for its trendy fashion, street performances, and neon-lit streets, it attracts both locals and tourists. The area is filled with shops, night markets, themed cafes, and street food vendors offering treats like bubble tea and fried chicken. Ximending is also home to historic sites like the Red House Theater, a cultural landmark for Taipei's LGBTQ+ community. With its mix of pop culture, nightlife, and history, Ximending is a must-visit for those looking to experience Taipei's youthful energy. 8. Raohe Street Night Market, one of Taipei's oldest and most famous night markets, stretches 600 meters in the Songshan district. It is known for its lively atmosphere, traditional Taiwanese street food, and vibrant shopping stalls. The market's must-try foods include black pepper buns, stinky tofu, grilled squid, and bubble tea. Located near Songshan Temple, the market offers a blend of cultural sights and delicious eats. Unlike larger markets, Raohe's compact layout makes it easy to explore on foot. A favorite among food lovers, it's a great spot to experience authentic Taipei street food and local nightlife. 9. Beitou Hot Spring, located in northern Taipei, is a famous geothermal area known for its relaxing hot springs and scenic beauty. Developed during the Japanese colonial era, it features public and private hot spring baths, luxury resorts, and historical sites. The Beitou Hot Spring Museum and Thermal Valley, with its steaming sulfuric waters, showcase the area's rich history and volcanic activity. Visitors can soak in the warm, mineral-rich waters, believed to have therapeutic benefits. Easily accessible via MRT Beitou Station, it's a perfect getaway for those seeking relaxation and a glimpse into Taiwan's hot spring culture. 10. Shifen Waterfall, located in Pingxi District, New Taipei City, is the largest waterfall in Taiwan, often referred to as the Niagara of Taiwan. Spanning 40 meters in width and dropping 20 meters, it offers a breathtaking sight, especially during the rainy season when the water flow intensifies. The surrounding lush greenery and scenic walking trails make it a perfect spot for nature lovers and photographers. Nearby, visitors can explore Shifen Old Street and experience the tradition of sky lanterns. Easily accessible from Taipei, it's a must-visit destination for a peaceful nature escape.